Hello. Troubleshooting electricity. Sometimes things go unexpectedly, and in this case we're going to examine some of the fuses in the vehicle, and it's very similar to the fuses that you're used to in your household, on the outside fuse box or wherever that fuse box is. But there's also the typical fuses that you use in vehicles, the 12-volt fuses. So there's a mix of these, and everything is located right here behind the seat, underneath the seat. So you see a black panel, and there's two sections, and you may not see this right away on the video, but if I just remove a few lids here, and this is a bit tricky. You can push this in a little and carefully pull this out. That's number one. The other one lost a little halter on this side, so that's why there's tape. I'm going to replace the tape here. But this is the 110 volt fuse section, so that's when you are on landline power or when the generator runs. And then we have the 12 volts over here, and they're all labeled, so you can see where the problem may be. If you just take a quick look closer, you can see the labels for all of these over here, and you see the labels also over here. The main one is actually right here on top. That's the 30 amp fuse. So we have 30 amps coming to the vehicle, and then the next big one is 20 amps for the AC. So if you run AC and other things at the same time, it may trigger a fuse. So you may have that. So yeah, this is the fuse section, and when they trip, then they may actually not really show it. They could be somewhere in the middle state, so turn them off all the way and then turn them back on. That's the same as in any other fuse box, and these you have to pull out and replace, just like in a vehicle. And there's also behind this is an inverter to convert 220 to convert 12 volt to 220, and it's used for things like the TV. So there's some conversion. We're going to show you some more troubleshooting later.